I have ordered a crochet kit. I can stab someone with this. No, I can't. Wrap it. By the end of this video, I'll make something that looks pretty and cute. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो. सो एज अभी मैं घर पे आ चुकी हूँ एंड आई एम बेरोज़गार, तो लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग एवरी अदर थिंग जो कि मुझे सेन रहने में हेल्प कर सकती है, या सो दैट आई सर्वाइव without going insane. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, so after trying air dry clay, wild clay, I have ordered a crochet kit. So yeah, and it just arrived today. So let's open this and see what's inside it. Like I already know, of course, because I'm the one who ordered, but कैसा आया है वो मैंने अभी check नहीं किया है. So I'm just opening it and we are gonna see what's inside. Okay, so there are a lot of dhagas, yarn, red, pink, green, yellow and white. Then there is a crochet, a scissor and some clips for I don't know what reason, some needle. I feel equipped with something dangerous. I can stab someone with this. No, I can't. Cute little scissor. Oh, plastic needle. I have never seen anything like this before. 3 plastic needles. And then there are metal needles also. 3 metal needles which are not sharp at all. And some clips, random clips. So I already know some basics like the single क्रोशे में जो सिंगल लाइन बनाते हैं वो बनाना आता है, उसके आगे कुछ नहीं आता है. सो या लाइक आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मेक अ knot, something like this, a loop knot. Then we have to put this inside and then we have to like wrap it around our finger, and then we have to hold this and then we have to. I'm so pro. Yeah, so I can make this single chain, but इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. So I'll go watch videos and learn something, and then by the end of this video I'll make something that looks pretty and cute. So yeah, this is the single chain that I know how to make. Yeah, so see you. So after watching a ton of videos and struggling for half a century, I ended up making something absolutely majestic, which no one else had ever seen before. Okay, it's bad. But I did not give up here and started crocheting again. Then I successfully made a single crochet and happily destroyed my work of 10 hours in a second, thinking, at least I can do something smoothly. Then came a sudden storm of motivation, and I went to master the art of crochet and made a beautiful piece of half double crochet, and triple crochet. I never knew that these things even existed. Now I felt like a pro, and I am the god of crochet, and I can make anything I want. So I have learned the basics, and मैंने सोचा है कि मैं अब एक बो बनाऊंगी, बट बो बनाने से पहले मुझे इसका एक प्रॉपर गोला बनाना होगा. एंड काश मैं खुद का गोला बना के उस पर रह सकती, बिकॉज अर्थ इज़ इंडीड अ वियर्ड प्लैनेट. या सो मैं इसको बनाती हूँ. आई डोंट नो इट्स गोना टेक मी हाउ मेनी आवर्स, बट सो ये तो बन गया है एंड अभी मैं ट्यूटोरियल देखती हूँ, अच्छे से समझती हूँ कि बो को एक्चुअली बनाना कैसे है एंड देन आई ट्राई टू मेक इट and yeah, hopefully I'll be successful. So I have finally made these two strips after struggling for a billion hours, and yeah, one is going to be the body and one is going to be the tail of the bow. So these are definitely not the most straight strips, but I have no issue with non-straight things or people, so I'm just fine with it. And yeah, now I have to like hide this and this, the extra thread, so I'm gonna do it now. So I have stitched this and जो stitch है उसको center में रखेंगे. Now I'll take this and I'll fold it into half and put it here, and then I have to wrap it around and tie a knot. Wait, I was supposed to do this before adding this. Okay, so perfect. Now I'll take this, put it here and just wrap it around and tie a knot again. Yeah. Now the question is what to do with this extra thread. Let me check. Okay, so basically we have to use the same technique जो हमने इधर पे use की थी. Just add the needle, I mean take the needle and उसको इसके अंदर की साइड पे stitch कर देना है. And yeah, like we just have to hide it basically. However we, I think I'll need a smaller needle. Why it's not going through it? Cause I'm going through it, bro. One side is done. I'll just trim this extra piece off. Okay, so the other side is also done. So this is the final result. It might not be the prettiest bow ever, but I love it and it's pretty good. Like पहली बार मैंने crochet से कुछ बनाया है तो उस हिसाब से तो काफ़ी सही है. And if you think that it was very easy for me to learn crochet, it went so smooth, then no, it did not. I was trying to learn crochet before ordering this kit also. I'll show you the stuff. So I was crocheting with this thin thread and this crochet. It's, there is barely anything, like barely any hook. It's very tiny. My camera is so bad, it can't even focus on it. But yeah, like it's so, like I was trying to learn crochet through this and I was struggling. I was like, okay, I almost gave up and I almost went into depression because of this. And my sister took it and she was like, okay, let me try. And she made a whole keychain, a whole bow in just 5 minutes. I'll show you the bow. So it took her 5 minutes to make this pretty bow. And I just struggled for my life with this. She used the same thread, obviously in different color. But yeah, like I doubted myself, I doubted my talent, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna blame it on this and order a new kit. So I ordered this kit, which I showed you in the beginning of this video, and yes, it was the fault of this only that I could not learn. And here I am with my first ever project. crochet project. And yeah, so my tip for you guys is that if you want to learn, start with a thicker thread and a thicker crochet. Don't go for such tiny ones, you'll struggle. And I'll mention all the links of the tutorials that I followed, like the where I learned the basics of crochet and the bow tutorial also. And yeah, just for the ease, I'll mention the kit also, which I ordered from Meesho. So yeah, this is it for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Hello, is the mic working? By the way, I feel very powerful right now. I feel very scared. So hopefully maybe I'll make something more interesting soon with my new crochet kit.